Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I want to share with you a very simple LinkedIn connection script that you can use when you're first meeting people on LinkedIn that will get the conversation started and have them be more open to learning more about your product, service, or business opportunity. Now, if you're first getting started on LinkedIn, there's something you really need to understand is that LinkedIn is different than any other of the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, in that LinkedIn is a business network. It's not a social network. So when people are on LinkedIn, they are on LinkedIn for one of three reasons. Number one, they're there to do business, they're there to learn about business, or they're looking to find business opportunities. So with that said, you have to make sure that you're approaching and connecting with people the right way on LinkedIn. And you've heard it said that you only get one chance to make a good first impression. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're connecting with them in the right way. So what you want to do when you're making that initial connection with people that you want to network with, you want to send a private message. Now, what you say in this private message is very important. So we're going to go through this script right now. It's very simple. I highly suggest that you take a screenshot of this script and use it when you are talking to people on LinkedIn. So here is the LinkedIn script. So when you're meeting with people, what you want to do is you make the connection and then you have the opportunity to send them a private message as well. And this is what you want to include. I just saw your profile here on LinkedIn and thought I'd touch base. I see you're in, and then name whatever company you see on their profile, or if you found them in a LinkedIn group. I'd love to connect if you're open to it. Thanks, and then your name. So what you're doing here is you're giving them an open, and you're seeing if they're open, and you're giving them an out. Okay? So what this does is usually when you see people doing business, they don't sit there and pitch them a deal right away. They make an introduction. And the biggest mistake home business owners make is that they immediately go into a sales pitch. Okay? We don't want to be doing that. I want you to focus on seeking conversation over conversions. So you want to build that conversation, and then what you'll learn is in the next video, I will teach you other connection scripts to follow up with once people have responded to this connection script. So when you see this, people will respond back and they will give you an answer. So this is what we mean is we want to start the conversations. So did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And like I said, you want to make sure you tune in for the next video where we'll show you follow-up scripts to use on LinkedIn to continue building the relationship. Now, to make sure that you get access to that video when it gets published, follow me on Facebook. And you can do that by going to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson. And did you also know that you can watch the video that I put up on my YouTube channel from my Facebook page? So you can go to my Facebook page here at facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson, and you will see on the side of the right here on the left hand side on the tab, you will see my YouTube channel. You can click on that tab and then you will see the video come up right here as well. And then just make sure you click subscribe, because I create content on almost a daily basis. I don't want you to miss a thing. Now, if you want even more training on LinkedIn, here is a masterclass from top LinkedIn specialist Gloria McDonald. And what she's going to do is she's really going to help you craft and set up a LinkedIn plan where you only spend an hour a day on LinkedIn and you can get more leads, reps, and customers for your business, especially business reps, because people who are on LinkedIn are always looking for business opportunities or to do business. And so she's going to show you exactly what you need to do in this 1 hour a day blueprint to help you get more reps and customers into your business. So all you need to do to register for this masterclass is go to the link you see on your screen. I've also put the link in the video description as well as in the comments section so that you can get registered and start learning how to really use LinkedIn to get more leads, reps, and customers for your business. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.